Presenting the MYK Laticrete tile installation on drywall boards. Let us look at how to install tiles on plywood substrate with Laticrete DWA 215. First, make sure all tools required for tiling on plywood are available at site. All wall boards must be plumb and true to within 3 mm in 10 feet. Make sure the contractor has fixed the drywall board or plywood properly. Clean the plywood surface with a wet sponge to remove any dust, dirt, debris, oil, grease, curing agents, loose particles, paint or any coatings. Clean the back surface of the tiles using a wet sponge to remove any dust or wax. Open the lid of the pail and mix the adhesive with a scoop or trowel. DWA 215 is a single component, ready-to-use adhesive. Mixing of water or any other liquid is strictly not allowed. Use a proper-sized notch trowel for installation to ensure full bedding of the tile. Apply adhesive to the substrate with the flat side of the trowel and firmly key it into surface. Using the notch side of the trowel, notch the adhesive to get even notch marks. Spread as much adhesive as can be covered with the tile in 10 minutes. Apply a very thin layer of adhesive on the back side of the tile and place it on the notched adhesive on plywood. To ensure proper coverage without air pockets, tap gently on the tile for uniform coverage. Place spacers to create the required grout joints. Clean the tile surface with a wet sponge as work progresses. Wait for about 24 hours. Tile installation on plywood is now complete.